Can you imagine I'm carrying so much stuff, but it's just not my stuff only, यार. इतनी ठंडी होगी वहां पे कि तेरी आंखों में बर्फ जम जाएगा. You know what? Ignore that. This is not my house. If I get fillers, this is how I'm gonna look. Oh my god, that's so bad. How's my voice? दो दिलों की है प्रेम. Now I need to find out if I need some specific underwear or specific innerwear for specific clothes. ये लाइट इसमें क्यों रहने वाला है? लाइट तो उसमें रहेगा ना. लाइट इसमें रहेगा. इसमें रहेगा लाइट. टेनिंग टेनिंग टिंग. टेनिंग टिंग. अर्ज दैट यू हैव ना. कहीं पे भी जाओ तो सब अपना नया सामान उठा के लेके जाओ ताकि चोरी हो जाए. आई एम कंफ्यूज. आई हेट ऑप्शंस. गाली मत सुनो मेरे मुंह से. कल भी मैं जाग रही थी पूरी रात. सुबह सोई थी. सो कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है क्योंकि मैं हूँ जेनजी वाली. इयरिंग प्लीज बेयर विथ मी यार. दिस कैमरा यार आई कांट हेड दिस बैक. टू सेक्सी. कभी कभी यूट्यूब बहुत भारी पड़ता है भाई. गाँव में परफ्यूम नहीं लगाने वाली मैं. कभी नहीं. Oh my god, I scared myself. You know what? Fuck it. I chopped my hair, guys. And I'm not regretting for the first time. I really like it. By the way, it is 4 a.m. My face looks very chubby. Oh my god, I scared myself. I kind of like this haircut. This is my signature hairstyle, haircut, whatever. You know what? I have not packed. Oh, my leg. It's 4 a.m. and I am alive. Why? Because I have to do certain things in life. I have to reach certain heights. That's not the point. I am alive because, जाग रही हूँ because time pass. मेरी एनर्जी रात को ज्यादा रहती है. हाँ, मैं चंद्रमा से रूल होती हूँ इसीलिए. Anyway guys, so big. I'm not at all sleepy. Come on, you can look into my eyes like. I just want to show you certain things I bought. I bought this tickly. I got this for 10 rupees. Can you believe it? I can't believe it. Okay, I got this colorful ticklies also. This size ticklies na suit my face. You should know that, bro. What are you doing in life? Okay, I got this one for my dadi. She wears this bigger ones. Suits her really well. She looks so pretty. The next thing, okay. I have also charged my watch. How can I forget this? This was gifted by oh my god. I overshare so, but that's not something scary, right? Oh fuck. This is really scary. Should I close that? I think I should. I will not be able to record in the morning. That's why I'm recording right now because we have to go. किसी के तो बर्थडे में जाना है. किसी के तो मतलब नहीं, मेरे कजन के बर्थडे में जाना है. सो बर्थडे में जाने के लिए कुछ नहीं, छोड़ो. So that's why I have not that's why. This is not a good angle. Okay, so I have charged my this. And I have also charged my AirPod. So I'm gonna quickly keep it straight into a pouch that I have not yet found out. And I'm gonna also carry it's 4 o'clock. Why am I scared? Okay. ये भगवान का time है. So this is what I'm gonna carry. This is a power bank. Light नहीं रहता ना ज़्यादा वहाँ पे. Light ही नहीं रहता वहाँ. तो ये charge कैसे होगा? Anyway. What else? So I have to keep all my underwears and all of that stuff, and I have to sleep, guys. My mom's gonna wake up. She's gonna kill me. ये पूरा भर चुका है वैसे. You can see. Oh my god, I'm so bad as a cameraman. Okay, I'll die very soon because I'm not a cameraman. Okay. What? ये पूरा भर चुका है. I removed one sweater and added one more traditional cloth because I need one more. So yeah, understand that. And we need to carry more. Okay, I got some shampoo conditioners also. That's Dove. And because we cannot carry the bigger bottles because you know what I mean. अभी मुझे टाइम पास करना है फटाफट से, तो आई विल शो यू ऑल माय earrings, whatever I'm carrying. Like it's very basic, but I'm yet to carry those, yet to keep those, some rings. I'm gonna carry the whole ring wala dabba. I have very few rings. I don't wear rings because I don't have nails and I don't think it suits me. But I have changed my mind and I'm gonna wear fake nails. So rings are on. Sometimes I just love myself, guys. I'm saying. Also, I have to carry pins and clips and all that stuff because it's really important. Right? I don't know where I picked up this accent from, which really, oh my god, look at my cameraman wala skill, man. It's really bad. Okay. Alright. कभी-कभी ये ना YouTube बहुत भारी पड़ता है भाई. You know what? Right now I was just watching my own videos from my mom's channel, and because I got no views, so I watched that, and y'all should also watch it. I find my videos very fun, and I might also come up with. I've got a lot of ideas. I'm just not gonna blabber everything, and you will see. But subscribe, guys. Subscribe. I also kept my coffee because that's important. I'm not addicted to anything except phone, but now not also that I can live without it. But nothing. I have again changed my outfit, whatever I'm gonna wear. I'll show you that. Don't worry. Where is it? There. You know what? I'm very excited only for the thing. My mom told me that इतनी ठंडी होगी वहां पे कि तेरी आंखों में बर्फ जम जाएगा. And I'm just excited to experience the cold in winters in my village and whatever my mom said. I want ice in my eyes, guys. Why is this hair like this and this hair is like so nice? What is this behavior? You know what? Ignore that. This is not my house. We're just living here. It's not my house, yeah. Come on. You see my house, you'll be like, oh my god, you live here? Should I wear it and show you all? I really feel like if you will not, what? I feel like showing it. My outfit. Even if you deny, I'm going to show you. I'm really lazy also. So what should I choose? Lazy or, you know what? Fuck it. Just watch it like this. I'll show you how it is. This is the thing. You have to accept me, guys. Okay. So this is what I'm going to wear. It's of woolen. This the back. Too sexy, guys. Oh. This and this is the jeans that I'm wearing. It's a boot cut one. Really pretty. So this really goes with it. And that's what the outfit is going to be. And those nails and some rings and some earrings and some piercings I don't have, but the fake ones. Oh, I have to keep these pins inside. Oh, should I show you all my earring? Please bear with me, yaar. This camera, yaar, I can't hit. Okay, that's the earring that I have. Oh my god, and this loops, which really doesn't suit. It suits, right? Oh my god, I don't know. I'm really confused sometimes. Like, does it? Does it not? One jhumka for sure. This jhumka I'm gonna, दोनों पे यही झुमका पहनूंगी मैं. मतलब एकदम मस्त होता है ये छोटा वाला. And this one. And this hard one. I'm carrying this just in case because I've never ever styled them. कभी नहीं पहना मैंने ये, तो इसलिए. और ये भी ऐसे ही just in case क्योंकि ये भी कभी नहीं पहना मैंने. तो कभी नहीं पहना मैंने. Don't nothing. Okay, so I think of wearing this and some fake piercings that I'm going to carry. Should I keep it right now? I think I should keep it right now. So ये उसके ऊपर, right? I'm going to do most of the things right now. आज मैं जाग रही हूँ, कल मैं तो पहले भी जाग चुकी हूँ. कल भी मैं जाग रही थी, पूरी रात सुबह सोई थी. So कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है क्योंकि मैं हूँ जेंजी वाली. Okay. Next thing, this is the hairband that जो मेरे कजिन के लिए लिया गया, मम्मी ने दिया है. मेरे वाला दांत ज्यादा बड़ा है ना, सबका होता है. मतलब हम लोग आधे, I tell you, जो हम लोग का शरीर होता है ना, वो आधा इस तरफ और इस तरफ अलग अलग होता है। इस साइड का नाक आपका बड़ा होगा, इस साइड का छोटा, इस साइड का आंख अच्छा अलग 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 सब अलग अलग होता है, इस साइड अलग, इस साइड अलग। Keep that in mind, don't forget ever, so don't be insecure. Yeah. Okay, so my sister told me not to carry, but I'm carrying my micellar water and this because गायब हो सकता है वहां जाके, but I'm carrying it because my, I break out a lot if I don't clean my face nicely. Plus, if I use any product, I don't use any product on my face mostly, but just in case. Can you imagine I'm carrying so much stuff, but it's just not my stuff only. Yeah, you'll understand. It's my sister's stuff also. Oh my god. Battery! You know what? I think I should remove this moisturizer because we have one common moisturizer. तो अलग-अलग सबको अलग-अलग moisturizer ले जाने की जरूरत नहीं है सबके लिए. Especially we have that Nivea one. We are going to use that. Everyone's going to use that. I don't need any special moisturizer. Yeah. Okay, I'm carrying this transparent pouch. I have to empty it first. This quality is getting worse. My god, I'm getting scared by my own eyes. Oh damn, I have got nails. Should I use this? But I really want to do red nails. But I am confused. I hate options. Sometimes I love it, but I hate options. गाली मत सुनो मेरे मुंह से. Sometimes I always talk to non-living things. And that's scary. Anyway, so I'm going to carry this just in case I want to use nails. So yeah, I carry so much stuff. Like, should I not carry it? Should I carry it? Okay, I can't decide. Wait. I'll carry this. What carry? And I'll keep all of this inside. All this shampoo, conditioner inside it. And what else? I'll also keep this and this in the handbag that I'm going to carry, of course. And power bank also in that. Charger, my phone, obviously, I cannot forget my phone ever. And oh my god, my back hurts. What else? Perfume? I kept deodorant. I don't need perfume. गाँव में perfume नहीं लगाने वाली मैं. कभी नहीं. I also bought a lot of earrings and this is one of them. Doesn't suit me, but my sister wants it. So keeping for her. I bought a lot of classic earrings. I want to carry it, but that urge that you have ना, कहीं पे भी जाओ तो सब अपना नया सामान उठा के लेके जाओ ताकि चोरी हो जाए. Okay, so this is that fake piercing I'm going to wear. So this will go in my handbag because when I will get ready, तो मुझे सब पेटी में से नहीं निकालना पड़े. My god, I'm so smart, man. Just learn something, bitches. Oh my god, bitch. What else, man? Should I carry this snake chain? Look, I'm going to carry this डब्बा. इसके अंदर ये लगता है कि इसके अंदर वो है, अत्तर है, पर इसके अंदर वो सब नहीं है. इसके अंदर है बहुत सारी rings. Should I show you all? Not necessary, right? Yeah, it takes a lot of time. And मैं तो बकवास करती रहूंगी. Oh my god, should I carry something? गले में I'll carry this. I really want to ask you, should I carry it or should I not carry it? Confused I am. Or should I carry this one? This is my favorite locket. I'm not going to carry my favorite thing there. Yeah. You keep all the favorite things here at your home. Look homeless there. This locket. I want to carry one thing. Wait. According to my outfit and वहाँ पे इतनी ठंडी रहेगी, I don't think I will. मैं इतना स्टाइल मारने वाली हूँ. तो कुछ नहीं लेके चलते हैं, मतलब कुछ इसमें एक्स्ट्रा कुछ ज्वेलरी नहीं लेके चलते, कुछ नहीं लेके चलते हैं. मुझे पता है मेरी आदत, मैं ऐसे लेके जाती हूँ, उसके बाद कुछ वहां पे जाके पहनती हूँ, पर मुझे लेके जाना है. I'm just carrying this. This has my rings and all stuff, and this is going to go in my handbag. Bitch, don't try to irritate me. I'm gonna kill you. Anyway. Next thing, should I carry this light? Damn, it looks scary. Scary, man. Scary, hello. Oh my god. Can I do transition? Tinning, tinning, ting. Tinning, tinning, ting. Okay, anyway. I think I should carry it. It's really useful. Wait. ये टूट गया है. But still I will carry it just in case. I'll also keep my ankle binder inside my bag also. Let's prepare this bag right now. Yeah, let's go. This is the what's in my bag wala bag. So my watch will go inside this earring. तो ताकि मैं जब ready हूँ तो मेरे साथ ये सब रहे. ये सब. ये लाइट इसमें क्यों रहने वाला है? लाइट तो उसमें रहेगा ना. लाइट इसमें रहेगा लाइट. हैं? Here. And ये just I will also keep this book in my handbag because there are some relatives that I don't like. They don't like me either. So this is what will keep me like distracted. So yeah, I'm going to carry this book and थोड़ी अच्छी habit के लिए भी book रखना चाहिए अपने पास. What if I read? There are so many boring people, so books are better than them. So I'm going to keep this in my bag. I think I am not left. I know I'm left with some or the other thing. Okay, I have my some toiletries there, like brush and everything. And bitch, I'm tired. Okay, the footwear. The footwear is very important. एक चप्पल, एक जूता. That's it. चप्पल, एक जूता. And so उसके नीचे क्या पहनूंगी फिर मैं? कुर्ती के नीचे. ऐसा चप्पल लेना पड़ेगा जो कुर्ती के लिए भी नीचे भी सूट हो और नॉर्मल भी हो, ताकि मैं हर जगह पहन के जा पाऊँ. कल देखेंगे. I have to carry all my stuff अलग से. मतलब मुझे अपनी दूसरी पेटी चाहिए, लेकिन मम्मी दे ही नहीं रही है. This clutcher is going to go in my black bag. Okay, so I remove some of the stuff from this bag. Which one? I'll tell you. I replaced this aloe vera gel with this one because all 4 of us use aloe vera gel. So yeah. You don't need to watch my video at this point at 2x. So, yeah, gulab gel, my skincare, और some mascara. रेन में mascara लगा के जाऊंगी सब खराब हो जाएगा. लेकिन mascara, a tint and a blush, and this nail might come out, but anyway, this nail might come out. My mind has stopped working because I am ruled by the moon, so सुबह हो रही है तो इसलिए. This is the moisturizer, the common one. So we need it there because we're going to wash our face in the train. Anyway, this is lip balm obviously. And face wash. And brush. But वो सब तो last में जाएगा. And the underwear and everything. I hope I don't forget the underwear and everything. I'm not going to get periods anytime soon. अभी तो हाँ. तो क्योंकि अभी ये गया है तो क्या थूक क्यों रही हूँ मैं. अभी ही आया था तो इसलिए अब नहीं आएगा. नेक्स्ट मेरा बटुआ is very cute. I need my बटुआ there, or should I not carry it? But anyway, I need some cash, so this is my बटुआ. Not very fancy. तो मतलब अब पैड भी नहीं चाहिए. So what am I forgetting? एक ही दिन बचा है. I hope I don't forget it. That's all, I guess. Yeah. Now I need to find out if I need some specific underwear or specific innerwear for specific clothes. So let me do that. Also, I bought joggers. You all see it? No? Video बहुत लंबी हो रही है. I don't think I'm gonna see it. Just normal joggers, yeah. Yeah. So I'll search for if I need some specific innerwears. And we will. I'll see you soon. How's my voice? दो दिलों की है प्रेम कहानी है, आए देखो जरा. आगे के लिरिक्स नहीं आते. But this was not my best, I'm telling you. I think बाकी चीजें कल ही डिसाइड करना चाहिए क्योंकि अभी मम्मी के उठने का टाइम हो गया. So I need to sleep ASAP. And मुझे नींद तो आ ही नहीं रही है यार. कैसे क्या हो रहा है मुझे नींद ही नहीं आ रही है. मुझे नींद ही नहीं आती. मोटा कितना हो गया? I also need Vaseline because I'm not carrying any gloss, so Vaseline. होठ भी फटेंगे तो Vaseline. I enjoy alone, you know, a lot. Sometimes. If I get fillers, this is how I'm gonna look. Oh my god, that's so bad. I don't want it. I like it. Maybe I said too much. No times when you can die. It's only yawning. दो दिलों की है ये कहानी है आई दे. I forget the lyrics and that's so funny. Do I need to act mature? Like, no one's mature, I guess. Like, everybody has that child and it has to be there. Like, you know, because of all the content consumption and all that stuff, I used like and but, all of these words, or like, yeah, like all of these stuff, like talk too much, like. Guys, my video is way too long. I'm enjoying it, but like, I all enjoying it, but anyway, my videos is way too long. So now I told you what has to be done. I'm going to show you my nails, my final outfit when I go out. I'm going to do, when I do my makeup and all that stuff, maybe. But this is a packed video. We need to show all of this. Anyway, if there's something interesting, I'm going to show you. Otherwise, this might be an end. Who knows? My eyes look pretty, you know. अब सिर्फ और सिर्फ मम्मी का सामान बचा है. So we're done. Oh my god, my phone's dead.